A journey through the land of grace. Venezuela is a geological and cultural wonderland. Where some of the planet's oldest landscapes nurture unique ecosystems and ancient human stories. This country is home to the world's tallest waterfall cascading from a lost world plateau. A mountain that inspired a literary classic. A pristine Caribbean paradise. A sky lit by a timeless storm, and a city built of earth that is slowly returning to dust. Angel Falls, waterfall from the House of the Gods, stands out for its astonishing dimensions. It has a total height of 979 meters, including an uninterrupted plunge of 807 meters. The falls pour from the top of a flat-topped mountain known as a tepui. Tepui means House of the Gods in the language of the indigenous Pemon people. Tectonic uplift and millions of years of erosion carved these massive plateaus, turning them into islands in the sky. This harsh isolation has, in turn, transformed them into islands of time. Ecosystems with endemic plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Reaching Angel Falls is not a simple day trip, but rather a multi-day expedition. The journey begins with a flight to the indigenous village of Canaima, followed by a long, arduous trip up the Carao and Churun rivers in motorized dugout canoes, locally called curiaras. Travelers spend their nights in hammocks at rustic jungle camps, with the sounds of the ancient forest serving as the soundtrack. Walking through Conan Doyle's Lost World. Mount Roraima. The summit of Mount Roraima is unlike any other place on Earth. It is a 31 square kilometer plateau of black Precambrian sandstone, some of the oldest rock on the planet, sculpted by eons of erosion. The top is a surreal landscape featuring a labyrinth of bizarre rock formations, an area known as the Valley of Crystals, filled with glittering quartz and a network of pseudo-karst caves. The frequent mist and eerie silence atop Roraima enhance the feeling of walking on another world. The only way to reach this summit is by undertaking a challenging 6-day trek from the Venezuelan side, following a natural rock ledge up the mountain. It culminates in a steep ascent through a cloud forest and under the cascade of a waterfall, finally reaching the plateau. Standing on Roraima's summit is a powerful and symbolic moment for any trekker. It represents the ultimate destination after a journey into this real-life, lost world. The pristine paradise of Los Roques archipelago. Seen from above, the Los Roques archipelago is a dazzling tapestry of blues and greens, a coral crown set in the southern Caribbean Sea. Scattered over a broad atoll 36 kilometers across, more than 300 islands and cays form a ring around shallow turquoise lagoons and gleaming white sandbanks. Remote and untouched, this archipelago lies about 128 kilometers off the Venezuelan coast, floating in splendid isolation, far from any mainland bustle. Imagine gliding over water so clear and calm that you can see starfish resting on the sand below. Sandbars emerge and vanish with the tides, strewn with shells and pink conch, inviting you to step onto your own tiny island in the sun. This untouched seascape is often hailed as a marine paradise. Above the water, Los Roques is equally breathtaking. Gran Roque, the only inhabited island, hosts a quaint fishing village and a lone lighthouse. But even here, there are no cars, no high-rises, nothing to break the timeless vibe. The eternal lighthouse of Maracaibo, the Catatumbo phenomenon. The Catatumbo lightning is a near-constant storm, occurring on up to 300 nights a year. This region boasts the highest lightning strike density in the world. A fact recognized by Guinness World Records. Watching the silent, distant flashes illuminate the clouds, and then feeling the raw power when thunder finally rolls in is an unforgettable experience. Founded in 1527, Coro was one of the first Spanish colonial settlements in South America. Its UNESCO World Heritage status is due to its unique architectural heritage, a fusion of Spanish mudéjar design, Dutch influences from the neighboring Caribbean islands, and indigenous building traditions. A striking feature of Coro's architecture is the extensive use of earth and adobe brick building techniques, even in large civil and religious structures. In fact, Coro is the only remaining colonial city in the region where even its monumental structures are built from earth. Just outside the city, Médanos dunes. surreal landscape of stark contrasts. Médanos de Coro National Park protects a vast area of towering sand dunes on the isthmus leading to the Paraguana Peninsula. Mucumbari Cable Car. Mucumbari, the famous cable car in Mérida, is an engineering marvel. It is the highest cable car in the world, reaching 4,765 meters above sea level, and is also the second longest, stretching 12.5 kilometers. This engineering marvel is a testament to human ingenuity, designed with the sole purpose of bringing the majesty of the Andes to everyone.